Walk. Good boy. Very good. Gotta get back on that bit, okay? Yeah. Oh, you gonna go say hi, Kenny? Oh, you gonna do some side passes? Yeah? Oh, very good. Nice job, Bubba. Nice job. Yes, good boy. Okay. Come on. Hey. You can't go over that fence, dude. Unless you want to start jumping. Woohoo, that would be fun. We got a little girl that wants to jump, buddy. Maybe one day. You're still young enough. Are you still young enough? I love his ears because he looks back at me all the time. Don't you? You're always hearing me, aren't you, big guy? That's good. I don't see your head down, though. You're not looking like you're connected. So, let's get connected. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Better. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good boy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Head down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your head's not down, Bubba. Come on. 1, 2, 3. That's better. That's good. Yeah, that's the hard side, huh? Let's try the easier side. Ready? There you go. Good, so. Very good. Very good. Good boy. Come on, walk on. Yep, you're okay. You're okay. Good. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. That's nice. Very good. Very good. Very good. Good boy. I knew he's going to do that. If you know it, then why were you over near there? Ready? Walk on. And over. Good. Ready? And over. Good boy. Ready? And over. Yes. Good job. Ready? And over. Good boy. Good boy. You ready? Okay. Over. I think he starts to go over before I tell him. You ready? You ready? Over. Yes. Over. Good. That's a silly little bend, but what do I know? What do I know? No expert, are we, buddy? No, but we're trying to get better each and every time. You got it. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Head down. Head down. Good boy. Head down. You have your head down. Why can't I see your head on this side? There you go. Good boy. That's it. Good job. Very good, Danny. You got it. Come on. Walk on. Good boy. You're okay. Glad you're breathing. That's always a good thing. Ready? Over. Ready? Ready? Over. Good boy. Ready? Over. Yes. Ready? Get ready. You're gonna go over. Good boy. Very good. Are you ready? Are you ready? You're gonna come over. Ready? Over. Uh-oh. Lost everything. Come on. Yeah, it's better. Good boy. Good boy. You're okay. You're okay. Yes. Come on. Walk on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Walk it on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Good boy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're okay. Yes. Very good. Very good. Yes, you're okay. You're okay. Hey. Yes. Very good, Danny. 1, 2, 3. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. Easy. Good boy. Yes. Good job. Very good. Head down. It's okay. Is he square? Is he square? No, right here. Look at his 4 legs. No. Want to try that again, Bubba? It's like, no, I'd like my head, please. Another breath. Wow. So proud of you. You can walk. You want to walk? You can walk with your head, stretch your head down. Go ahead, walk. Come on. In dressage, you have to walk with the long way. Yes, good. Whoa, 2 steps. Woo-hoo-hoo. Good, head down. You're okay. Oh, good boy. Very good. Glad he listens to that word, though. I think we're done, buddy. It's enough for both of us. It's been a blessed day. Amen.